beautiful people, today I'll show you how to make a bun that looks put together, but actually this is a messy one. All these 5 ways looks pretty much the same, but I use different techniques. Let me know in comments down below which one is your favorite and you'll use it for your hair. For the first one, we want to grab all our hair into a low ponytail. I used a scrunchie, but you can use a simple elastic instead. On last time, pull your hair halfway through. Then grabbing the ends, you want to twist it a little bit, cover with the ends the scrunchie or your elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath the ends. So basically this is the first one. For the second way, you want to again grab your hair into a low ponytail. And last time, pull your hair halfway through. Grab the ends and twist it and bring them up over your elastic and tie it like tying your shoe, like that. Then you want to bring the ends down and tuck it into the elastic underneath. Next, you want to again make a very low ponytail. On last time, again pull your hair halfway through, leaving the ends down. Then grabbing the ends, you want to divide it into 2. Grab one of this section and twist it up over your elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath the ends, and repeat with second section left. For our fourth one, looks a little bit different. So you want to tie your hair into a very low ponytail, but on last time pull your hair halfway through. This time bring your hair up like that. Now grabbing the ends here, I just didn't see what I was doing, but I basically tied my ends using a clear elastic and then make an opening. We want to twist this section and through this opening bring your bun like that, and the ends you want to tuck it into the elastic underneath again. And the next one that looks like fourth one, this time I'll use a simple elastic. So we want to tie our hair. On last time, pull our hair halfway through upwards, and then you want to grab the ends, divide it into 2 and crisscross them. Then you want to bring them down and tuck it into the elastic, and you're basically done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial on how to create an amazing looking low messy bun. Don't forget to tell me in comments down below which version is better for you. But that's it for today, and I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.